Hello everyone. So in this video we will learn how to automatically add Facebook leads to AWeber as subscribers. So let us begin with a small example. So this is a lead generation form I have built in my Facebook account and we are going to enter some details. Okay, so the name of the person is Snowy. Okay, and the last name is Jen, Snowy Jean, and this is the email. So this is the email address of Snowy Jean. Okay, @gmail.com. And then this is the phone number of Snowy Jen. Okay, and let me just click on next and let me just click on submit. So a form submission has been made by a person called as Snowy Jen. So we have basically collected a lead from our Facebook forms called as Snowy Jen. Now the idea is that Snowy Jen will be automatically be added as a subscriber in AWeber. So let me just take you to AWeber and let me just show you the subscriber. So let me just refresh the page. Okay, so let us wait. So let's go for today, added today. Okay, so at present it is not showing the data. We don't have the subscriber. Now the issue here is Facebook actually takes an appreciable amount of time to send the data. So maybe, just maybe, we have to wait for 5 or 6 minutes to receive the data. So just bear with me, don't panic, just bear with me. So I will just pause this video for 3 minutes and 3 or 5 minutes, and when the data will arrive, I will show you. Okay, so after a delay of 2-3 minutes, we have got the data. So this is the name Snowy Jean, and as you can see, we have also the email. So basically this person has been added as a subscriber, but the status is pending. This is because AWeber will be sending a confirmation email to this address to basically Snowy Jean, and when she confirms this that she wants to be added as a subscriber in AWeber, basically in my AWeber account, we will be getting the status as subscribed. Okay, so your obvious question is, how did I do it? How did I manage to send the data from Facebook lead ad forms to AWeber? So basically here I have used an integration and automation software called as Pabbly Connect that integrates Facebook and AWeber. Now the best part of using Pabbly Connect is there is no need for coding skills or programming knowledge. Let me show you the process. So basically in the new tab, just type pabbly.com, 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 press enter. Okay, so this is the website of Pabbly.com. Here just hover on products and here you will find the option connect. Click on connect. Okay, so this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Just click on sign in. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. As you can see, I already have made an account in Pabbly Connect. You can also create your own free account in just 2 minutes. Let me just scroll down and here you will find connect. Just click on access now. Okay, so at the top right corner, you will find a button, create workflow. So basically, we are going to create a new workflow to integrate AWeber and Facebook. So let me just click on this button. So how about I give a name to this workflow? Facebook to AWeber. Okay, let me just correct this. And let me just click on create. So when you click on create, you will find two windows, the trigger window as well as the action window. Now we are going to create a new workflow to integrate Facebook and AWeber. And you should know that I will add the link of this workflow in the description box so that you can clone it and directly access it into your account. Okay, so now in the choose app, how about we make it as Facebook? So here we have choices, Facebook comments, groups, lead ads and pages. How about we go with Facebook lead ads? Okay, so now in the trigger event, we have two trigger events, new lead and new lead legacy. We are going with new lead. Okay, so new lead is a trigger event. So your obvious question is, what is a trigger event? Trigger is basically a if statement. It asks a question, if this condition is met, what should be done? For example, if a new lead is generated in Facebook, then what action should be taken by the system? Now, at present, we only have two trigger events, new lead and new lead legacy. But in case if you want more trigger events, approach the help section. And when you click on the help section, you will be straight away be directed to Pabbly forums. And in Pabbly forums, you can make a request that you want so-and-so trigger events. So let me just cancel this. So basically the gist is, all you have to do is just click on connect to integrate Facebook lead ads to Pabbly Connect. Let me just click on connect with Facebook lead ads. Okay, authorization successful, just press OK. So we have the page as technical boy. Okay, so what's the deal with this? And then we have the lead generation form. So basically this is the page we have, okay, and when we click this, it will show you all the pages in the drop down that is present in my Facebook account. So let me just show you all the pages. So let me just take you there, pages. So these are all the pages that is present in my account. So what I'm planning to do here is I'm going to select a particular page. Okay, so all the pages that is present here is being simply reflected here. This is because Facebook is now integrated with Pabbly Connect. Now, out of all these pages, I'm interested in one particular page. Okay, so this is the one I'm interested in, any text solution. So for any tech page, okay, so this is the page. Let me show you that page, any text solution. Where is that? Yeah, this is the page, any text solution. For this particular page, we have two lead generation forms, Salesforce lead and lead capture form. I'm interested in this one, lead capture form. Okay, so when I click on save and send test request, it will fetch me the data of the recently created lead. In our case, the recently created was a snowy or something. Okay, so when I click on save and send test request, it will fetch the data of the recently created lead. Now, let me just show you, let me just straight away show you the form. So let me just first click on this any text solution. This is the page. And we basically want the form associated with this particular page. So I'm just clicking on publishing tools. Okay, so in the publishing tools, all you have to do is just scroll down and just click on more tools and just click on instant forms. So I'm working with Facebook Business Suite. Now, in case if you're working with your normal profile, this method will also work the same. All you have to do is just select your form here as well as the page and just make some entries. Okay, so out of these two forms, I'm interested in this particular form, lead capture form, and we have mentioned it here. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to make some entries. Okay, so just click here and just click on. So when we click here, we will find the form. So this is the form, lead generation, lead capture form. And imagine this, a person is going to fill in the form. And the name of the person is Matthew. And the last name is 𝗪𝗪𝗋. Matthew 𝗪𝗪𝗋. And this is the email, 𝗪𝗪𝗋456@gmail.com. Okay, and let me just enter the phone number of Matthew 𝗪𝗪𝗋. Okay, and let me just click on next, submit. Okay, so now something I have mentioned earlier, when I click on save and send test request, it will fetch me the data of the recently created lead. Now, in our case, the recently created lead is of Matthew 𝗪𝗪𝗋. So when I click on save and send test request, it will definitely fetch me the data of Matthew 𝗪𝗪𝗋. Let me show you. Let me just click on save and send test request. So as you can see, we do have the details of Matthew 𝗪𝗪𝗋. The first name is Matthew, the last name is 𝗪𝗪𝗋. And this is the email, and basically this is the phone number. Now, using all these details, we are going to create a subscriber in AWeber. So this is how you do it. In the action window, you basically just select the choose app as AWeber. Okay, AWeber it is. Now in the action event, how about we make it as add subscriber and just click on connect. In the new connection name, just click on connect with AWeber. Okay, so it is asking me to authorize. Just click on allow access. Of course, I'm not a robot. So we have completed the CAPTCHA test. The authorization is complete. Just press OK. So we have three or four fields to fill: the account ID, the list ID, the full name, as well as the email. Now this is basically the account ID of my AWeber. We don't have to do anything. It will automatically catch it. Now we have the list ID. So basically I have only one list, that is Aaron Manuel's list. So there is only one list, and that is why it is showing as one list. Now if we have multiple lists, it will show the drop down and you can select that particular list. So in my case, there's only one list. I'm selecting this particular list only. Now we have to basically map the full name. Now remember this is how we get the full name. So we have the first name and we have the last name, and we are just going to map it here. So we click here, we go to the first accordion, and this is the first name. Okay, but we want the full name. So we enter a gap and 𝗪𝗪𝗋 it is, and we have mapped the last name. Now we just have to map the email. So this is the email and we have mapped it. All you have to do at this point is just click on save and send test request to make Matthew 𝗪𝗪𝗋 as our subscriber. Okay, so let's have a look. So let me just refresh this. Okay, so added today. So today, yes, we do have a subscriber. But again, the status, it is showing it as pending because Matthew 𝗪𝗪𝗋 will be getting an email from AWeber, and after that he will confirm it, and then the status will be shown as a subscriber. Excellent. So the presence of this particular subscriber shows that we have successfully integrated Facebook lead ad forms and AWeber with help of Pabbly Connect. So before you leave, let me just explain you the whole mechanism in a nutshell. So let me just minimize this action window and let me just minimize the trigger window. So basically this is the whole process in a nutshell. First you integrated Facebook lead ad forms to Pabbly Connect, and then you have integrated Pabbly Connect to AWeber. So now there's a perfect flow of data between Facebook lead ad forms and AWeber. So in case if you like this video, please share, comment and subscribe. Furthermore, if you have any queries, please visit our website www.pabbly.com. It's awesome. Thanks.